City of Albuquerque employee benefits for fiscal year 21. The Human Resources Department Insurance and Benefits Division manage benefits for over 6,000 employees. The total number of members enrolled in the City of Albuquerque Health Plan is 18,000 plus. This includes employees, their qualified family members, and employees and family members of participating entities. All information regarding your benefits as a City of Albuquerque employee is located in Employee Self-Service, or as we refer, ESS. For information on your benefits, your personal information, and even your direct deposit or paycheck stubs, all this can be obtained on your Employee Self-Service. To be eligible for the City of Albuquerque benefits, you must be an employee of the City of Albuquerque, and you are eligible to enroll your legal spouse, a domestic partner if not legally married, and any children, whether they are natural, step, or adopted, or domestic partner children under the age of 26. Those not eligible for city employee benefits are seasonal employees, temporary employees, parents, and siblings. Another one commonly used is ex-spouse, regardless of the court order. Grandchildren, unless you have legal guardianship or legal custody of the grandchildren. You must provide proof of relationship for any dependents you would like to cover on your City of Albuquerque benefits. For instance, if you are married, we'd need the marriage certificate. For any children aged 26 and under, we'd need a birth certificate. We can also use a court order from a district court for any other situations. If you are considering covering a domestic partner, there is additional documentation that is required along with an affidavit of domestic partnership. All this information can be found on cabq.gov/benefits. A domestic partner can be added anytime during the year without the need to wait for open enrollment. When enrolling in benefits, there are certain IRS guidelines that must be followed. One of those guidelines is life events must be completed within 31 days of the event. Life events are considered as a new hire, or if you've obtained new employment, if you get married or divorced, if you have a child, or if a spouse or a child loses coverage for several reasons due to age, loss, or change of job, etc. You have 31 days. If you or your family members are enrolled in Medicare or Medicaid, you do not necessarily have to enroll in the City of Albuquerque benefits. At the time you and or your dependents no longer qualify for Medicare or Medicaid, you have 60 days to enroll from the date of loss of that Medicare or Medicaid. The City of Albuquerque does not allow double coverage with the following entities. These entities all carry the City of Albuquerque insurance. So for instance, if you have a spouse that works at Sandoval County or the City of Belen, and they are currently covering you on their benefits, you cannot also cover them because it is one single policy and we do not provide double coverage under the same policy. However, if your spouse has coverage, for instance, with Presbyterian Health Plan or TRICARE, you can then have dual coverage. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our office. Open enrollment is a time when you can make changes to benefits without a life event. So for instance, you would like to remove your gym membership, open enrollment is the time to do this. Open enrollment occurs every year in May, and those changes take effect July 1st. We run in a fiscal year, so our benefits are effective from July 1st through June 30th of every year. Again, this is the only time to make changes without a life event. We also have a Better Health program with the City of Albuquerque. We offer wellness programs throughout the year at no cost. These wellness programs are to our City of Albuquerque employees and their spouses. We also have blood pressure stations at 79 work locations and several other Better Health programs for you. These change annually, so keep an eye out on eWeb for any updates or new programs being offered. Personal health assessment. The City of Albuquerque provides a personal health assessment to both employee and spouse or domestic partner enrolled in benefits. Both the employee and spouse can complete the personal health assessment online every fiscal year. Once that has been completed, you will receive notification in the mail to receive a $25 gift card from Sprouts or Big Five. Again, this can be completed each fiscal year by both the employee and their spouse or domestic partner. The instructions to complete this is on cabq.gov/benefits. The City of Albuquerque also offers Employee Assistance Program, or EAP. This is available to employee and family members living in your home. There is no cost. Some of the items offered are crisis intervention, grief counseling, depression, stress management, and many other programs. Again, this is confidential. This is just for you or anyone living in your household. They do not have to be a dependent on your benefits to be able to utilize this program. The premiums for our medical, dental, and vision are paid 80% by our taxpayers of the City of Albuquerque. The remaining 20% is paid by the employee through payroll deductions. If you are covering a domestic partner, the domestic partner portion of the benefits is taxed pursuant to IRS regulations. If you find yourself in a situation where you're on unpaid leave, whether it be FMLA, military, leave without pay, or another situation, please stop by or visit our office for any additional information. Our goal is to help you maintain your coverage during any of these times. First of all, we're going to start off with your Presbyterian Health Plan. All City of Albuquerque full-time employees have the ability to enroll in any of our benefits, including the medical benefit administered by Presbyterian Health Plan. This screen shows you the cost of those benefits bi-weekly. We have 4 tiers of coverage: single, which is employee only; couple, which is an employee plus spouse or domestic partner; a single parent, which is an employee plus any number of children; or a family, which is the employee, spouse, or domestic partner and any children. The amount in red is what is deducted pre-tax from your paycheck every 2 weeks. We have 3 different plans with the Presbyterian Health Plan for city employees. The plans are active, family, and independent. The primary difference in these 3 plans is co-pays. So for instance, if you are on the active plan, all members, including dependents, would be charged $35 for a primary care visit. If you choose the family plan, the adults in the family plan primary care copay would be $40, but the children's primary care copay would be $10. Now again, I want to remind you, children is up through the age of 26. So if you have adult children that are on your benefits and you choose the family plan, they are considered children for copay purposes on this plan. The final plan is the independent plan. The independent plan has 2 levels of coverage: in-network and out-of-network. Active and family do not offer an out-of-network plan. However, the independent plan does. You will notice that out-of-network copays and deductibles are a different amount. This is for those that would like to maintain a provider outside of the Presbyterian network, or those that may have children in college in another state, and they can be seen in their state as if they were being seen in Albuquerque at a Presbyterian provider. For assistance with the independent plan, please contact our office. One other unique difference between the 3 plans is the unique reimbursement. If you are on the active plan, you have the ability to be reimbursed up to $150 per calendar year. If you're on the family plan, there is no unique reimbursement. The savings is on the lower copays for the children. And on the independent plan, you have the ability to reimburse up to $250 per calendar year. For details on this information, please visit our office or cabq.gov/benefits. All City of Albuquerque Presbyterian health plans offer the additional benefits listed here. Presbyterian RN is a medical advice line 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for all members enrolled in your plan. Video visits, you can see a provider anytime, anywhere, as long as you have a device with a video service available. Video visits can be done at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can utilize MyChart to communicate directly with your care team. We also have a baby benefit program. And if you currently have a primary care provider through Optum, that primary care provider can be utilized through the Presbyterian Health Plan. The City of Albuquerque has a unique mobile health center that we utilize throughout the city. You, as an employee, and your dependents enrolled on your health plan have the ability to visit the mobile health center with no copay. For instance, if you or a covered member age 2 and up require an urgent care visit, a wellness visit, maybe flu symptoms, a cough or a cold, many other things up to urgent care level, you are able to contact the mobile health center. They see patients Monday through Friday, 8 to 2:30. Again, this does not require a copay. With all three plans in the Presbyterian network, again, it's active plan, family plan, or independent plan, all three plans offer you a gym benefit. You will make this choice when enrolling in a plan if you choose to have the gym or to not elect to enroll in the gym. The gym benefit allows free access to fitness centers. The gym plan also covers the employee, spouse, and any dependents age 18 and over. You can enroll with any number of gyms. There is no additional fee charged for this membership. However, if you do choose Sports and Wellness will charge you an additional monthly fee directly from your bank account. This is the only gym that requires an additional fee for a monthly membership. The IRS requires the gym benefit be taxed. So what the City of Albuquerque has determined is the tax on $11.54 will be charged biweekly. Again, let me reiterate, it is the tax on $11.54. You will not be charged $11.54. You will be taxed on $11.54. For any questions on this, please visit our office or give us a call. Express Scripts is our prescription pharmacy benefit provider for the City of Albuquerque. Express Scripts provides convenient home delivery services, a large network of participating retail pharmacies. They have a great mobile app, and they use the Smart 90 custom network. The Smart 90 custom network requires maintenance medications filled on a 90-day supply. Those can be by mail order or at a participating pharmacy. Walgreens is a participating pharmacy for the Smart 90 fills. We also have several small local shops that also participate in the Smart 90. For any questions, please visit our website. The dental provider for the City of Albuquerque is Delta Dental of New Mexico. Again, we have 4 tiers: single, couple, single parent, and family. What is in red is what you will be charged bi-weekly pre-tax from your paycheck. With Delta Dental, you are given 2 plans, the PPO and Premier. You do not have to choose. They're both available. The difference will be your out-of-pocket costs between a PPO and Premier provider. Please talk with your provider to make sure they accept Delta Dental. This includes 2 free cleanings every year for everyone enrolled in your dental plan. City of Albuquerque employees are provided vision coverage through Davis Vision. Again, 4 tiers of coverage: single, couple, single parent, and family. The amount in red is what will be deducted pre-tax from your paycheck every 2 weeks. This provides a $10 copay for an annual eye exam for everyone enrolled on your vision plan. You are allowed a $160 allowance for frames every other plan year, and you will receive an additional 20% discount off of any amount over the $160 allowance. You are also given a $130 allowance for contact lenses. Contact lenses may be obtained yearly. An additional 20% off. Any amount over the $130 will be deducted. Mutual of Omaha. Mutual of Omaha provides a basic life insurance policy to all City of Albuquerque employees who are benefit eligible. This policy is provided to City of Albuquerque employees at no cost. The City of Albuquerque will fully fund your basic life insurance policy. This policy's amount is 140% of an employee's base annual salary. The maximum amount is $50,000. Beneficiary information must be entered into employee self-service and can be updated at any time through employee self-service. In addition to the basic life insurance policy that is provided to all City of Albuquerque employees, City of Albuquerque employees have the opportunity to enroll for voluntary life insurance. This is a term life insurance policy. During a new hire event, there is no evidence of insurability required. After your new hire event, if you have not enrolled in voluntary life insurance prior, any amount requested will have to be submitted through medical underwriting. At new hire, your guaranteed issue is 7 times your annual salary, up to $350,000. Any amount over the guaranteed issue will require medical underwriting. Here we have provided some examples. So for instance, if your job pays you $9.45 an hour, 7 times your annual salary is $137,000, so the guaranteed issue amount would be $130,000. This gives you a general idea of the guaranteed issue amount you would be eligible for. In addition to voluntary life insurance for the employees, employees have the ability to purchase spouse life insurance. For you to purchase spouse life insurance, the employee must be purchasing voluntary life insurance. There is a guaranteed issue at new hire for spouse insurance on an amount equal to 100% of the employee's enrollment, up to $50,000. Anything over and above the guaranteed issue amount will require medical underwriting. We also offer dependent life insurance to all employees. Again, the employee must be purchasing voluntary life insurance for themselves, and they can purchase dependent life insurance for children up to age 26. These policies are in increments of $2,500 up to the maximum of $10,000. $10,000 in coverage will cost you 96 cents per paycheck, regardless of the number of children. If you are covering 3 children under age 26 for $10,000, you will pay 96 cents biweekly total for all 3 children. Mutual of Omaha also offers disability insurance through the City of Albuquerque, both short-term and long-term disability. Both of these are guaranteed issue at new hire only. If you choose to enroll in short or long-term disability during a life event or open enrollment, underwriting will be required. Short-term disability has a 30-day waiting period for injuries or illnesses not work-related. After the 30-day waiting period, short-term disability will pay you 60% of your base annual salary on a weekly basis. Long-term disability has a 180-day waiting period. Again, it's an illness or injury not work-related, and it will pay 60% of your base annual salary on a monthly basis. You can choose one or the other, or you can choose both. This is fully funded by the employee. The City of Albuquerque does not pay any premium for disability insurance. The Hartford. The Hartford provides accident insurance, again, to city employees and their eligible dependents. This provides a cash benefit for injuries or medical treatments such as an ambulance, hospital admission, physical therapy, urgent care, or even x-rays. We have a full comprehensive list on thehartford.com. Again, coverage for all employees and their dependents if you so choose. It is 4 tiers of coverage: single, couple, single parent, and family. This is guaranteed issue. And again, coverage is for non-work related accidents. We also offer critical illness insurance through the Hartford. There are 2 benefits amounts you may choose: a $15,000 policy or a $30,000 policy. Again, 4 tiers of coverage: single, single parent, couple, and family. Any of your dependents will have the 50% of the coverage amount you have enrolled for. If any of the covered dependents are diagnosed with a critical illness, such as cancer, a stroke, heart attack, a lump sum benefit is paid out. That lump sum can help offset costs for copays, your day-to-day expenses, transportation, or any other needs during this time. A full comprehensive list is on thehartford.com and on the city website at cabq.gov/benefits. The City of Albuquerque also offers flexible spending accounts through P&A Services, Inc. The first plan we are going to discuss is medical flexible spending accounts. Medical flexible spending accounts allow you to set aside tax-free dollars for use for medical expenses for you and your covered dependents. You would choose the election amount you would like for the fiscal year. The minimum is $260. And the maximum is $2,750. Whatever amount you choose to enroll for, that will be divided by the remaining number of pay periods in the fiscal year. So for instance, if you enroll July 1st for open enrollment, there are 26 pay periods in the fiscal year. So your enrolled amount will be divided by 26 pay periods. So if you enroll in $260, our minimum, that equates to $10 a pay period. Again, this money is deducted from your paycheck pre-tax. When you enroll, if you choose to enroll, the amount elected will be fully funded on your debit card the day you receive it. So if you choose $2,750, when you receive your P&A debit MasterCard in the mail, you will have access to the full $2,750 or whichever amount you have chose to enroll for. This covers medical expenses, dental expenses, vision copays and deductibles, dental work, prescriptions, glasses, contacts, eye exams, and so many others. There is a full list on cabq.gov/benefits, or you can visit your IRS website. With the flexible spending account, IRS allows a $500 rollover into the next fiscal year. So, for instance, you enroll for $500 for this fiscal year, and at the end of June of next year, which is the end of the fiscal year, if you have not spent $1 out of that account, that $500 will roll to the next fiscal year, and you will continue to have access to use that money as long as you are still employed. If you enroll for $1,000 and you spend none of that $1,000 by the end of June of the fiscal year, you will lose $500 and $500 will roll. The City of Albuquerque also offers dependent flexible daycare. This works similar to flexible medical expenses. Minimum amount is $260. Maximum amount for daycare is $5,000 per fiscal year. Again, whatever amount you enroll for will be divided by the remaining number of pay periods in that fiscal year. This is pre-tax, so it reduces your taxable income. This is a pay-as-you-go program. You are allowed to reimburse up to what has been contributed. Again, P&A has a mobile app. Your dependents must be under the age of 13 to qualify for dependent daycare savings account. If you have a spouse or dependent incapable of self-care and live with you, they are also eligible for dependent daycare. The final flexible spending account is for parking and transit. You are allowed up to $265 per month. The deduction comes out of your first paycheck each month. Again, this is a pre-tax benefit, reduces your taxable income. You can change your deduction as your needs change. These are for private parking lots, for a transit monthly pass, rail runner. Any unused funds roll over month to month. Again, these are for non-city lots. You can choose to visit the city parking division for a city parking lot around the downtown area. There is a waiting list for most parking lots. And again, this is a pre-tax deduction the first paycheck of each month. If you are interested in a city parking lot, please contact the parking division at 924-3950 to be added to the waiting list. Additional benefits that are offered to City of Albuquerque employees is auto and home insurance through Travelers, discounted rates for City of Albuquerque employees, AROG legal insurance, and True Connect small loan. True Connect is only eligible to those that have completed their probation. For more information on these benefits, please visit cabq.gov/benefits. A supplemental retirement plan offered to City of Albuquerque employees is deferred compensation. Deferred compensation is a voluntary IRS-approved retirement savings plan. There are pre-tax and tax-deferred programs. You are in complete control. If you are an active employee, you can borrow up to 50% of your account balance for everyday purchases, purchase of a car, or whatever is necessary. You will then pay yourself back with a very low interest rate. You can also utilize the funds in a deferred compensation account to purchase airtime, military time, and withdrawn service credit from PARA. The City of Albuquerque offers 3 companies, ICMA-RC, Voya, also known as PARA SmartSave, and AIG. We suggest you call all 3 companies to find the best fit for you. These accounts can be opened at any time. There is no need for a qualifying life event or open enrollment. You must meet with the representative to begin those deductions. Once you've met with your representative and decided on the company you would like to utilize, your representative will deliver the required documents to the Insurance and Benefits Office, and we will enroll you in your deferred comp plan. Once enrolled, you have full control through employee self-service. You have the ability to increase, decrease, stop or start those contributions as you see fit. The City of Albuquerque also offers a 529 plan. It's an advantaged college savings plan designed to make post-secondary education more affordable for families. Now, this plan is transferable between family members. It can be used anywhere in the country. It's not just for kids, and it's not just for college. For more information, please visit cabq.gov/benefits. Our contact information for our office is 768-3758 or utilize 311. We also have an employee benefits email that is employeebenefits, all one word, @cabq.gov. You can visit us online, and all the detailed information regarding all these benefits we've discussed at www.cabq.gov/benefits. Thank you for watching this video. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact our office.